Understanding the phrase, the domino falls, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically focusing on the phrase, the domino falls. This idiom, like many others in English, paints a vivid picture to convey a deeper meaning. Let's explore what it signifies and how you can use it effectively in everyday conversations. The domino falls is an idiom that originates from the game of dominoes, where one tile falling often causes a chain reaction, making all the others fall in succession. In English, this phrase is used to describe a situation where one event sets off a chain of other events. It's similar to saying, when one thing goes wrong, everything else does too, or one thing leads to another. To understand this idiom better, let's look at some examples. 1. After the CEO resigned, the domino falls, several other top executives left the company too. Here, the CEO's resignation is the first domino that leads to others leaving. 2. When she confessed to the mistake, the domino falls. The whole truth about the project's failure came out. In this case, one person's confession sets off a revelation of more truths. The concept of the domino falls isn't just limited to language. It's a real phenomenon in various aspects of life. For example, in social situations, one person's behavior can influence others, leading to a ripple effect. In business, a decision by a company can affect the entire industry. In nature, an environmental change in one area can have far-reaching impacts. While the domino falls is a clear and descriptive idiom, there are variations in its usage. Sometimes, people say, the domino effect, or, like dominoes falling. All these convey a similar idea of a chain reaction initiated by a single event. When using the domino falls, remember, it's best used in contexts where a series of events are closely linked. It can have both positive and negative connotations depending on the situation. Be creative but clear. Make sure the context supports the use of this idiom. I hope this exploration of the domino falls has been enlightening and enjoyable. Idioms like this add color and depth to our language, helping us express complex ideas in simple terms. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using idioms like a native speaker. See you in the next video.